Excuse me, you have a booger. What booger? Where? Uh, mm, your booger is in your nose. Oh, sorry. Can you give me a paper? Miss, that's not a paper. I need a paper to clean my face. Oh, tissue paper. Thank you. Here we go. Thank you. All the paper is eating here. Can you please go to the restroom? The restroom is there. Miss, can you give me one? Sure. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys. So thank you for watching my new my blog. Please subscribe my YouTube channel because I want new supporters. And bye.